Imagine running your test automation suite, only to face unexpected failures, broken scripts, and delays. Debugging takes time, and every second lost impacts your release cycle. But what if your tests could heal themselves? Introducing AiHealing, Webomates' patented technology, is a revolutionary self-heal automation technology that detects and automatically fixes broken test scripts in real time. AiHealing continuously monitors test executions, identifies issues like changed locators, missing elements, or unexpected UI modifications, and self-corrects them, without human intervention. Powered by AI and machine learning, AiHealing doesn't just fix issues, it learns from them, making future test runs faster and more reliable. 3-step AiHealing process. Step 1. Identifying defects. AI analyzes test execution data, pass/fail reports, logs, locators, etc. Reviews build release notes, Jira user stories, for changes. Step 2. Root cause identification. AI detects reasons for script failures, such as locator changes, timeout issues, script errors, modified or new features in the application. AI suggests the required script/test case updates. Step 3. Healing and automation update. AI automatically updates impacted scripts. Customer reviews major changes before finalizing. New test cases are generated when needed. Benefits of AiHealing. Reduces manual debugging time, increases test automation stability, speeds up software releases, improves test coverage and reliability. Leading enterprises are already using AiHealing to accelerate releases, reduce maintenance costs, and improve software quality. Don't let broken tests slow you down. Experience the power of AiHealing today. Visit Webomates.com to learn more and supercharge your automation.